Hey guys, this is Greg coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today we're going to be showing off Oriental Bittersweet B. This one is the twin, not really twin of Bittersweet A, but I've kind of pulled them at the same time and started recording about them at the same time. The last video from this was in July, right when I did the other one, but I just wanted to document this for the fall just to kind of showcase the changes. We can go back and look at the old video, and I can also kind of make a compilation video of these guys, but I just wanted to kind of show the changes from July when this was first recorded and just kind of show how much it has grown since then and kind of go from there. So yeah, we'll just dive deep into this right now. We'll just start down here at the base, right here at the trunk. It looks pretty good, really woody. I like that. Still nice and flexible, okay? And can be easily moved. I might end up maybe doing some wiring. We'll find out. I do like this taper as it goes up the top here to this left branch. I do like that. I do like that movement that it's showing, but I also do like this branch coming up. Maybe we can do something with this in the spring. Maybe I'll cut it back here. We'll find out what I'm thinking when it's time. Do have a lot of grass up here that we have some spider webs coming on this from the season. But you will notice down here at the bottom that I do have some yellow leaves, okay? The season, like I've said before, is changing. We are now in the fall. You're used to seeing this when it was July, right in the summer. And yeah, all the leaves are starting to change. We do still have a nice amount of green here at the top, but we do have some yellowing down at the bottom, just like we did on Oriental Bittersweet A. And these leaves are just slowly popping off. I could probably pull some of these off if I wanted to, but we're going to leave them on for a little bit longer. It does look really nice with those leaves. But like I said, I do like that natural leader kind of coming up here. It was here and died out and then just kind of formed up here. And we do also have this nice little V that comes out from this. Now this does differ from the other plant where this is just kind of going off on its side and this one's going straight up. We do have a natural kind of V occurring right here, and I did have a part where I cut off here and this guy just shot straight up. So that's nice to see that me cutting that did allow some growth coming up this way. And if we look on this side, I did do a cut right here. Let me see if I can focus that. Did do a cut right there, and this ended up allowing this to grow up as well, and it looks like it was allowing this to shoot over as well. A little difference in leaf sizes here. We do have a bigger leaf here with a bunch of smaller ones, so they are differing, and I'm hoping that as this grows and as I'm able to do some trimming of the roots on this, that we can get these leaves smaller. We could probably play around and see if we could defoliate this once it's time and see if we can get smaller leaves coming in. But I am interested to see what this looks like in the spring when it blossoms, when all these leaves start coming back into play. I am trying to think future-wise here of how I would trim this. I would almost consider trimming down here and letting this kind of grow a little bit differently. This leader that's on here is interesting with this bend going and maybe shooting upwards. But again, we want to try and keep this canopy down here, so we may end up trimming both of these back and seeing how it goes. But again, we just have this nice green up here still, and again on the video this green looks much greener than it is in person. I'm not sure what causes that. It must be something with the HDR version, but it also does really highlight this yellow that's on these leaves. So this is my Oriental Bittersweet B. not much to showcase here, just kind of where I trimmed and how it's growing and how it's kind of changed since the first video. If you want to go back to that, I do have that linked on this playlist. And you can kind of go back and see that. And like I said, I did these back in July. I just kind of want to give a nice little 360 view of this as it comes around. And maybe, just maybe, I'll get another video of this updated before all the leaves fall out. And maybe if the leaves do fall out, just to kind of give you an idea of what the structure looks like without the leaves. It's a nice kind of like a V here, but it would be nice to see everything without the leaf content on it, just to kind of allow me to document and also see what I want to do with this in the spring. So maybe do some trimming here before everything happens. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, and we'll talk about it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, if you have your own Oriental Bittersweet that you work with, let me know. I would love to see your own work if you have it. And if you liked what you saw, just make sure to hit that like button. And right next to it, that subscribe button. If you want to see more of my content as it comes out, make sure to hit that bell with that as well. And we'll see how it goes, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. This is Greg from Greg's Bonsai. Checking out. See you guys next time. Take care.